Before independence was declared, it already had a rhythm.
Revolution 250, stories from the first shore, chronicling America's semi-quincentennial through the people, actions, and ideas that shaped our country.
It's 1774 inside a crowded tavern along the Norfolk waterfront. The door closes behind you inside a room thick with sound. Voices talking over one another. Mugs striking wood. Boots scraping across plank floors. From near the hearth, a fiddle begins to play. It starts simply, almost casually, as if the musician is testing the room. The bow digs in, impossible to ignore. It's Soldier's Joy, a familiar tune of the colonies, carried by itinerant musicians, soldiers, and sailors moving from port to port. Like many other popular songs, it was learned by ear, not written down, and played wherever people gathered, in taverns, camps, marketplaces, and docks. This was working music, the kind meant to travel, the kind that brought people together without asking permission. In towns like Norfolk, where the news from Boston or London arrived by ship, tunes like this helped spread ideas just as quickly as rumors. As the fiddle repeats the melody, the room feels briefly united. Dockworkers, craftsmen, farmers, sailors, people with little political power but growing awareness. In places like this, shared music helped create identity. Long before independence was announced, the revolution was already being felt in familiar melodies played on worn instruments in crowded taverns along Virginia's shore.
This has been Revolution 250, stories from the first shore. To learn more about this and other events of the revolutionary age of America, visit whro.org/USA250.